Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better give a treat that's good to eat if you want to keep life serene. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat the whole night through. Little scalawags with fiendish gags can make it.
Alright guys, welcome back. I am excited to decorate for today. We're gonna be decorating my bedroom. We're gonna make it nice, cute, cozy, spooky, 90s inspired, nostalgic, bright, vibrant, a little bit of tackiness. I just wanted to feel very nostalgic and cute. There's no theme, but just to add the most Halloween in this room, I wanted to feel very nostalgic if anything. So if you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I love to do store vlogs, decorating, and lifestyle videos. But my favorite thing to do is decorate. I love to make my space feel extra cozy for any holiday. And today, like I mentioned, we're gonna be decorating my bedroom. I did get a new bed quilt that I'm gonna share in a bit. So get ready, get cozy, get your drink ready. I'm gonna share how my room looks a little bit right now, so you guys could get the idea and see the transformation. This is how my bedroom is looking. It looks so cute for fall, but I'm gonna add my sheets again, the brown ones, which is super soft, and I love those sheets. So right now it just looks neutral, not my style anymore. I just love these colors. I have my pillows, and then I'm gonna be using those, which is so 100% nostalgic. And you guys will see where I'm gonna add these. Let's get started. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is take off all the sheets, the bedding, and add the bedding that I actually want. I did struggle a little bit to get those pillows in just because they're memory foam, so they expand too much. But it looks better because it's actually all nice and tufted, which means like it just looks cleaner, nicer. And then I decided to add my little pillow there. I'm so indecisive, but I think the little pillow is too cute. We're gonna be adding these jack-o'-lanterns. Any clue where? I'm gonna try to remove this lamp and add them as my lamps. Yes, we're gonna try to do a nice little DIY. Okay, so I thought these were gonna hang perfectly, so I'm thinking I'm gonna add either this clear, kind of like a fishing line. I don't know if I should move this little hoop thing or just push it down for now, because what if I want to use it later on? So let's try this clear thing and see if it works. It should work. Come on, guys. We need some Halloween magic here. Hopefully this works, guys. Hopefully this works. Oh my goodness, this is too freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. You know what? I'm gonna leave the little hoop because it does look like a floating bucket. a floating pumpkin bucket. Who remembers trick-or-treating with these little buckets? I think they're super cute and I love how they still sell them to this day. Now let's add another pumpkin there. And now I did turn them off because I want to start decorating this little section and then turn them on once everything is all nice and set, or I start decorating here to make it cute and spooky. I do want to talk about today's collab, which is OWNKOTI. You guys know I love to keep this room extra cozy. Now they do have houseware stuff, which is very cool. They are more on the boho interior styling, which I think it's so cool. This bed set, I think it's so pretty. It gives it a 90s vibe. I love the print. I do like this green color. Like I've mentioned that I just love decorating with color. Now I've been in a hunt to get a quilt or bed set that is cotton, and this one is 100% cotton, which you could tell by the nice feel of it. It's very nice and comfortable, and I can't wait to have my cozy days in here. I'll have everything linked in the description box, and also I'm gonna be adding their Instagram so you guys could see what they have. They have lots of styles, different blankets, pajamas. They even have furniture. Now if you guys are interested, I am gonna leave a promo code 15% off, and it is the code JAZMIN. Thank you so much OWNKOTI for collabing with me in this video. Now let's continue the decorating. Now this is the section that I love the whole candles, but we're gonna remove everything. Now I haven't used this spooky garland in forever, and I would love to add it here to make it look very creepy, but I have to see if I could try to tie it. So with so much struggle, I decided to add it to the back because I didn't like how the pumpkin looked covered. I want you to see the pumpkin. That's the whole purpose of it, because it's so gorgeous, super cute. I really like this vintage looking pumpkin, and I think will be so cute right here. Instead of, because I want to add more orange and a pop of color, and I don't know if I should add candles to this or leave it normal. I do want to add, oh, you know what? So I can use like the same colors going around. So let's see. Add more spooky branches. Right now, I think I'm just gonna add some batteries to this and light it up and see how it looks. All right, here's the finished look on the bookshelf. I think it came out spooky cute. I'm obsessed with all the lighting. Okay, so I have my candles that I had. Well, basically whatever was up here, I switched it down here. Down here on the second shelf, I have my frames, my pumpkin candle, and then I also love this frame. It's been quite some time that I've had that frame, and then this beauty right here, very nostalgic, and it just looks vintage. It's very nice. And then I have those pumpkins. I'm gonna turn them on right now so you guys could see the whole bedroom. And then I'm gonna add one pillow here, and let me fix this blanket. Alright guys, I think this is how I'm gonna keep it. I love it. The vibrant colors, the glowy pumpkin buckets, very nostalgic, very 90s inspired. Love the colors, and I think this is the coziest Halloween space in my home so far. Can't wait to be decorating more. And I think that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos to come. With all that said, have a spooky day, guys.